Hi friends, and welcome back to the Alicante Real Estate YouTube channel. My name is Vadim, and on this channel you find the hottest offers and the best market prices in the Alicante region for properties. And yes, I'm back today with a special offer on this YouTube channel. This beautiful house, completely finished. It's this house for sale, exactly this one, for 750,000 euros in Torrevieja, very close to the center. We are in a very nice, good area here, just with houses. Good infrastructure, everything is done. Carrefour is close by, Habaneros shopping center is close by. So you have a beautiful finished house with this pool. Look at this pool, look at the finishes, everything is new. I mean, just look at this machine. It's black, high-end design, and you see from the living area, you have the water directly next to the house. Okay, this will be your parking. You have electric gate. You will put your car here. We have in total 360 square meters, 360 square meters of plot. We have in total 230 square meters of house. We have 3 bedrooms and a beautiful rooftop terrace on the top with beautiful views over to the Vieja. Okay, so if you follow me, we have here the main entry. So you can see we have here, the entry is done with some lake directly at the entry. So you have some, I don't know, water going around the entry. Looks very beautiful and makes some image when you're entering to this beautiful house here in Torrevieja. And as I said, it's very hard to find these kind of houses nowadays, because for 750,000 euros, a new built, key-ready house, you won't find anywhere. So you see, this is actually a waterfall. So if you turn it on, when you're coming home, there will be water coming out of the wall, and it makes a good impression for your guests and even for yourself when you're coming to your house. Okay, this is the main entry, staircase to the top, and we have on this floor the living area and the main kitchen, a lot of windows, a lot of lights centering on. We have here the living room, your sofa will be here, and watching the TV, you have here some fireplace. It's an electric fireplace, but anyway, if you turn it on, it looks very beautiful with some effects. The kitchen open plan, we have here next to it, you can put a barbecue there or your table. So if you cook here, you can go outside directly. And everything what you see inside this house, I mean outside the house, all the garden, the pool, it's already it will be delivered like that. So you have a completely finished house. You just need to buy the furniture and that's it. And if you want, you can even go around your house. It's 360 square meters of plot and 230 square meters of inside constructed square meters in the house. Okay, so if you would go outside from the kitchen, you would have your table here, barbecue area, you go to the pool, and you have some beautiful views to the garden and to the pool directly here at this house. Okay, so what I like is it's offering a lot of light. It has some LEDs on the ceiling, you see. So there are a lot of details. The owner had thought about it, and in general it looks stylish and has a very good design. Currently, the sunshades aren't going up at the end because we need the owner to program them directly on their phone, on the app, so they can by app control the whole house and put up the blinds and put them back on. Okay, follow me for a moment. We have here at the same floor, we have the washing machine, like a small utility room. We can use the washing machine. We have a bathroom and we have a bedroom with this nice wardrobes fitted in. You see, very high quality, good design, and yeah, the house is finished, friends. I mean, you won't find right now in this time, new built houses completely finished. Okay. Now let's go up to the second floor, and we even have a rooftop terrace, which I mentioned already, where you can have beautiful views over to the Vieja. And this area, especially this area, is a very good and high-end area. There's just houses here around. Let's go upstairs. Okay, so the second floor is offering 2 more bedrooms, 2 more bathrooms. We have here 2 big bedrooms. Again, with a lot of light entering, we have ensuite bathroom in both of the bedrooms. This one was the main one. This is the second one. Fitted wardrobes, 2 windows, air conditioning centralized. And the main bedroom obviously has huge windows with a lot of light entering, and ensuite bathroom, of course. Look at this, with 2 sinks, and yeah, fitted-in wardrobes, air conditioning, centralized. And we have in total, by the way, 2 terraces. I mean, we have the terrace down below, close to the pool, and we have this one, and we have another one on the top. So we have 2 rooftop terraces. So for example, if it's too hot out there, you can just use this one because here are more shades, it's more heighted, and you can use then this space for the summer side, for example, or down below, yeah, downstairs. And now let's go up, and I want to show you the views from the top. Follow me. Okay, the rooftop terrace. This is probably the most special part of the house, and here you can make yourself an idea where more or less we are. So we have here views to the Salinas, to the salt lakes, but we are not too close to the salt lakes, that we have mosquitoes here. And we can see from here Consum, you can see there Consum, you can see from here Mercadona, you can see everything out from this rooftop terrace, so you can make an idea where you are more or less, okay? So the Carrefour is like, I don't know, 500 meters away, and the roundabout, the main roundabout, which goes into Torrevieja from the main road, is over there. So basically, we have a beautiful rooftop terrace with a lot of square meters, with views to the salt lakes, with palm trees, very green area. Everything is finished here around. You don't buying in where you have to wait 5 years until the infrastructure is ready. So basically, we have a beautiful house, completely finished, 750,000 euros, high-end construction, high-end finishes, high-end design, good house to live in, perfectly to buy and live here permanently. Okay, so good location. Friends, subscribe to the channel, like this video. I want you to like this video, I want you to comment this video, and if you have questions, down below you'll find my phone number, and you can reserve this house as soon as possible, because right now there were some people watching, and every day there are people viewing it. So basically, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be sold very soon. Okay, I see you soon, friends, in sunny Spain.